finished all my spaghetti. Whee! Now, I'm gonna go downstairs.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Lord Lily. Whee! Good, big belly. Whee! Okay, now let's continue. Sorry for my stupid voice. And that was where? Yes. Sorry, I didn't stay for long. I need to go and take a crap. And my craps are really, really, really long. Really long. My craps are really, really long. So, they're like 30 minutes. So now I need to leave you, or else I'm gonna crap in my pants. I'm gonna do a poop in my pants. So, I'm just gonna tell you, please subscribe. Subscribe. It's the only way I can survive to my YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Hey, did you hear that word? Subscribe. Hey, yay, I can speak like Barney. Hello, it's me, Demboree. See? It's wonderful. So I need to go take a poop. I need to go take a crap. Then I'm gonna poop in the toilets. Bye-bye.